In an industry full of frauds, hacks, fake reviews, phony certificates, indeed, the cleaning industry is totally unregulated. There isn't any oversight, there isn't any sanctioning bodies that are conducting any kind of vetting process to make sure that the integrity of those businesses that you hire, those individuals, that they meet a certain standard. If you're not hiring a cleaning company based on a referral, then you could be putting you and your home or business in jeopardy. As a homeowner, your biggest investment is your home. Cleaning companies are dime a dozen. I believe it's the consumer's responsibility to do their due diligence and look for a company that documents their work, that has a plethora of different types of videos and photos to show that they can perform the task at hand. Ladies and gentlemen, you can buy fake reviews, you can buy phony certificates, but the one thing you can't fake is a time-stamped video, and that's why I showcase my work and I share my portfolio with you, the viewer. Coming up is an old video that was taken many years ago, and it's at a janitorial account that we still possess today. It showcases that we have been at this account a long time. You can see the video is very old. It's a large janitorial account that we've had for approximately 13 years. Currently, we're at a nightly janitorial job for a regular client. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, it's pouring, absolutely pouring. We're just doing a maintenance cleaning here. If you're in the Tallahassee area and you think you need a janitorial service, carpet cleaning, pressure washing, windows, painting, you could text us at 850-567-4546. Preferably text so I can get back to you right away and get down to business. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Take care. I've taped several videos at this location recently. It's on my channel. If you just look around, you can find those videos. There will be more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching and take care.